All right, guys, I promised that I would talk about tangent today. So tangent is always opposite over adjacent, right? So opposite here is 1 over adjacent here is square root 3 over 2. So if you look at this, well, actually, let's start with this line here. We'll do this one. So opposite here is just 0 because we didn't go up at all, right? And then adjacent is 1. So really, my tangent here is 0 over 1. Oh, that's 0. That's the slope of that line. Cool. All right, let's look at this one here. So we're going to do tangent, which is opposite over adjacent. Both of those are the same, so it's square root 2 over 2 over square root 2 over 2. Well, that's just 1. So the tangent here is just, well, that's just the slope of that line. Oh, well, that's rather interesting. All right, what about right here? Let's look at this one. So if we think about opposite as being my y value and adjacent being my x value, opposite would be 1. So tangent is 1 over undefined, right? Any number divided by 0 is undefined. So that's a slope that's undefined. Interesting. So in case you didn't catch on yet, I'm trying to point out that the tangent is the slope. And tangent, because it's always opposite over adjacent, tangent of theta on the unit circle will always be the sine. That's going to be opposite, right? Because the y value is opposite over adjacent, which is the x, which is cosine. So sine over cosine is going to be tangent. And tangent is also slope. Again, this is just interesting information that I think is kind of cool. So that means that the slope here is positive because look how all these lines coming out are going up. So the slope here is positive. I mean, not the slope. The slope here is always positive. This is the tangent. I love when it doesn't erase for me. Okay, so the tangent is always positive because this is always y over x. Okay, so then in this quadrant, look at the lines. Are they going up or going down, left to right? Stay, please. No, don't leave. So from left to right, are these lines going up or down? These ones, you're right, they are going down. So that makes negative. If you think about that, that makes sense because negative. A negative divided by a positive is actually a negative number. So the tangent here, remember that tangent is always y, is negative. Okay, so in this quadrant, see how it's positive? So that means the tangent divided by negative makes sense that it would be a positive number because negative divided by negative is a positive. I've got one negative and one positive. So actually, my tangent is going to be negative. They're all negative as well. That much as I wanted to cover today. That was it. Super short notes, super short video. I love you guys. Good luck on your test at the end of the week.